Welcome to Workday. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to request both time off and a leave of absence. From the home page, I'll select the Absence application. Here, I notice my available balance as of today. I can request absence, correct my previous absence request, or request return from a leave of absence. I can also view my absence and absence balance or view my teammates' approved time offs and leaves of absence. I'll select Request Absence from the Request menu. The Unified Absence Calendar displays. I'll select View Teams and then OK. Here, I notice my teammates' approved time offs and leaves of absence. This helps me know when my teammates are planning to take time off so we can avoid the likelihood of too many of us being off at the same time. Visibility into your teammates' absences may depend on your organization's configuration. My available balance as of a certain date displays on the left. Balance visibility may also depend on your organization's configuration. I'll change the date to a future date. Note that my balance adjusts accordingly. I'll return to today's date. I can use the arrows to toggle between previous and future months. I can return to today's date by selecting the Today button. I can also select dates individually or select and drag to select multiple dates. If I need to clear dates, I will select those dates again. If I want to request an absence for an extended period, I can select the Select Date Range button. Here, I could enter the date range and select Next to complete my request. Instead, I'll select Cancel to return to the calendar. I'll go ahead and select the dates for my absence request. When I'm ready to submit, I'll select the Request Absence button. From the Type prompt, I'll enter the type of time off or leave I'm requesting. Options for both time off and leave display. These options and their grouping may vary based on your organization's configuration. I'll choose Vacation. I'll select Next. Here, I notice the from and to dates as well as the type of time off or leave I've requested. I also notice the quantity per day and total hours. I'll select Edit Quantity per Day. The quantity per day may default to a set amount or to my daily scheduled hours. I can edit the quantity per day and enter comments as needed. If I'm updating all the quantities to the same amount, I can choose to update all quantities. For example, I only want to take half days of vacation for this request, so I'll change the 8 hours to 4 hours in the Update All Quantities field. I'll select Done to finish the edits. Note that the quantity per day and total adjust. I'll need to submit to finish this request. If needed, I could easily cancel the request. I'll select the absence entry on the calendar. I could choose to cancel this Request button to cancel the request, but I want to keep it, so I'll choose Close. I'll return to the home page. I want to view the status of my absence request, so I'll return to the Absence application. If I needed to correct the request, I could select Correct My Absence, but I just want to view the status, so I'll select my absence. Here, I notice a full report of all my absence requests, including the status of each request. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you for using Workday.